Flaking out, what does it mean? Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, flake out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Let's jump right in. Flake out is a colloquial phrase in English, often used informally. When someone says they flaked out, it generally means they failed to show up or didn't follow through on a plan or commitment. For example, I was supposed to meet John for coffee, but I flaked out and stayed home instead. She promised to help me move, but she flaked out at the last minute. While the exact origin of the phrase is unclear, the term flake has been used in American slang since the 1920s to refer to an eccentric or odd person. Over time, flaking out came to represent someone being unreliable or not following through on their word. It's essential to note that flaking out is often used in informal settings. You might hear it among friends or in casual conversations, but less frequently in formal contexts or professional settings. To help you better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. Sorry for flaking out on our plans last night. I was really tired. 2. If you keep flaking out on your commitments, people might stop trusting you. 3. He's known to flake out occasionally, so always have a backup plan. There are several synonyms for flake out, and using them can add variety to your language. Some common synonyms include back out, bail out, drop out, pull out. For instance, instead of saying, he flaked out on the meeting, you can say, he bailed out on the meeting. There you have it. Now you know what flake out means, its origin, how to use it in a sentence, and some synonyms. Remember, while it's a fun phrase to use, it's best suited for informal settings. We hope this video has been helpful, and the next time someone flakes out on you, you'll know precisely what they mean. Stay tuned for more exciting English lessons.